Hey everyone, welcome back to Ignite Tools, the place where we explore the best AI tools, tech, and ways to make money online. Today, I'm going to show you an amazing AI powered video editing tool called VEED.io, a platform that can literally create professional looking videos in minutes, even if you have zero editing experience. Now, you might be wondering, why VEED? Well, unlike complicated editors like Premiere Pro or Final Cut, VEED is 100% online, beginner-friendly, and powered by AI. With it, you can auto-generate videos from text prompts, add captions instantly in multiple languages, clean up audio, remove background noise, resize for TikTok, YouTube, Instagram Reels, and collaborate with your team in real time. Basically, it's like having a mini video studio inside your browser. Alright, let's test this out. I'm on VEED.io, click AI video generator. I'll type this prompt. Create a 45-second YouTube video about the benefits of AI in education with upbeat music. And look at that! Within a few seconds, VEED generates a complete video. It includes stock footage, text animations, background music, and subtitles. You can preview, edit clips, and replace footage if needed. Super easy. VEED isn't just about AI generation, it's also a powerful editor. Add automatic subtitles with over 100 languages supported. Use text-to-speech AI voices if you don't want to record yourself. Remove silences or background noise with one click. Add your brand logo, progress bars, or social media templates. This makes it perfect for YouTubers, marketers, or anyone who wants polished videos fast. So who exactly is VEED for? Content creators who need daily TikToks or YouTube shorts, business owners and marketers making promo videos, teachers and trainers creating explainer videos, even freelancers who want to sell video editing services without learning complex software. Honestly, if you're in the digital world, this tool will save you hours. If you want advanced features like unlimited watermark-free videos, higher quality exports, and team collaboration, then you'll need the Pro plan, which is pretty affordable compared to hiring an editor. So that's VEED AI in action, an all-in-one video editor that combines AI power plus simplicity. If you're serious about creating content faster, definitely check it out. I've dropped the link in the description. Question for you: would you rely on AI video editors like VEED for your YouTube channel, or do you still prefer traditional editing software? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching Ignite Tools. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more awesome AI tool reviews. See you in the next one.